Welcome to the world of investing, where the market is as predictable as your cat deciding to knock over your coffee. If you've ever felt like investing is one wild ride, don't worry, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a strategy that can make this roller coaster a little less scary? Meet dollar cost averaging, or as I like to call it, the chill investor's best friend. What is dollar cost averaging, and can it help you become a confident investor without breaking a sweat? Stick around as we break it down with humor, examples, and tips that even your grandma could understand. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is when you invest a fixed amount of money on a regular schedule, no matter what's happening in the market. Imagine going to the store and buying apples every week. Some weeks they're cheap, some weeks they're expensive. But over time, you average out the cost per apple. Example: investing $100 monthly into an index fund. Month 1, $10 share equals 10 shares. Month 2, $20 share equals 5 shares. Month 3, 5 share equals 20 shares. Average cost per share is $10.83. DCA doesn't care if the market's having a bad hair day or winning a beauty contest. It just keeps you consistent. Reduces emotional decision-making. No more trying to time the market, which is harder than guessing the weather 3 weeks from now. Lower risk of buying at the top. With DCA, you avoid dumping all your money when stocks are at peak prices. Because, let's face it, hindsight is 20/20. Consistency builds. Discipline. DCA forces you to invest regularly, even when the market looks scarier than a Halloween movie marathon. Great for beginners. If you're new to investing, DCA is like training wheels for your financial bike. Misses out on big gains in a bull market. If the market keeps going up, DCA can make you wish you'd invested all your money at once. But hey, who can predict that? Transaction fees. Frequent small investments can rack up fees if your platform charges per trade. That's like paying a delivery fee every time you order a single French fry. It's not magic. DCA doesn't guarantee profits. It just helps you avoid buying at the worst possible time. If you invest in bad stocks, even DCA can't save you. How to use dollar cost averaging. 1. Pick a consistent amount. Start with what you can afford, $50, $100, or whatever fits your budget. Just don't skip rent. Set a schedule. Invest weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. Tie it to payday if that helps. Choose the right investment. Broad-based ETFs or index funds work great for DCA. Don't DCA into single meme stocks unless you enjoy living dangerously. Automate the process. Most platforms let you automate investments. Set it and forget it. It's like putting your financial future on autopilot. Examples. 1. The nervous newbie. Emma started investing $200 monthly in a diversified ETF. When the market dropped, she bought more shares at lower prices. Over 10 years, her portfolio grew steadily. Emma's happy, and so is her future self. The lump sum gambler. John put all his money into a stock at its peak. When the market dipped, he panicked and sold. If only he'd used DCA, he could have averaged his way back to a good price. The fee victim. Sarah used DCA to buy small amounts of individual stocks, but paid $10 per trade. Her returns got eaten by fees. Lesson: use fee-free platforms or stick to funds. So, is dollar cost averaging right for you? If you're looking for a simple, consistent and low-stress way to invest, DCA might be your new BFF. It's not perfect, but hey, neither are we. Are you a DCA fan or a lump sum investor? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with anyone who needs a crash course in investing without the crash. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep it consistent, keep it calm, and let the magic of compounding do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching, folks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with a friend who could use some financial bumper lanes. It will help us create more fun and helpful videos like this. See you next time.